What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fish the Tiller River. We're trying to catch a bunch of different types of species of fish. We're going to catch panfish, catfish, bass, gar, mudfish, whatever will bite. Bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so we found a little stream. It comes from over here where I was fishing earlier. Then goes all the way through over here, back to the other side I was just fishing. So it kind of like makes all this an island. That's pretty cool. It goes on for a ways. It's really big. We found one a couple weeks ago that was kind of like maybe a foot wide, but this was pretty big. We're very long. Oh, got him.
I didn't know he was on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You didn't say nothing.
There. Oh.
That's a 2 minute. Look at there. Well, that's probably the biggest bass you've ever caught here.
No, that one I caught last time was probably bigger. Well, that's not bad at all. Got to release first bass. There he goes. That is a truck though, or some kind of vehicle. That is crazy. Out there, I thought I got stuck under a truck in the river. But yeah, there's a sunroof right there. Huh? There's a sunroof right there. That's crazy. I never got stuck on a truck in the middle of the river.